See, start. Okay, so I will show you how to assign the name of the series so that you can process in the application. Since it is not processing because the acquisition series name is different this time. Normally, previously it was written as a flow. Now it is written as flow anterior. So that's why software is not able to recognize this name. So how to make it to recognize? So first you have to select that specific application and click on this small arrow and go to customize. Okay, and here nothing to do, just select this middle option always and then click and apply. Okay, and then select the proper data set, like in this pre-syringe, flow anterior, and then post syringe. Okay, and then start processing. Because you selected that always, now you can see this data usage confirmation. Here you can see on in the under the input only pre-syringe is there. The other series are on the top, that is under the unused. So what you have to do is select this dynamic series and then click uh, what application I selected, salivary, right? Okay, 1 minute, let's start. Okay, this one make thyroid and post syringe take as a empty. Now you can see all the three data sets are under the input data set, right sir? Now if you click OK, it will open. Got it?